Hello, I will show you how you can change shipping address on AliExpress after payment. Now, I have made this video before about how to change shipping address on AliExpress after payment. Now, if you have already paid for the item, or for example, the item is already been shipped to you and you don't want it, so it's still in transit but you don't want the item, you want to cancel it. Now I'm going to be showing you multiple ways on how you can fix this problem. Okay, so first, to change the shipping address on AliExpress after payment, you just need to click on your account in the top right here. Just move your mouse to the account in the top right and then click on my orders. Okay, so here you will be able to find all your orders. Now if the product is already shipped, you will be able to see here track, or what you need to do is you want to click here where it says order details. Okay, now when you click on order details, you will be able to see here track order. If you can see track order, that means the item is already in transit and it's in transit to destination country, which is your country. Now if you cannot see here track order, that means this item is still in the handling process, like the handling time, so you are able to cancel it without any problem. Just click on cancel here, something that says cancel, click on it, and then they will ask you for the reason. Just give them a random reason and then they will send you your refund without any problem, and then again buy it again, or you can just find another item or whatever you want. Okay, after you receive the refund, just click on the product. It's going to take you to the product page and then you can just reorder the product. Okay, and then after that you want to of course select the correct address next time. Now if the product says here track order, and what you need to do is you want to click here on this store name here, and then you next to it you will be able to see contact seller. This is not always going to work, by the way. You can just contact seller if the tracking number is new. It's only like 1 day after they provided you with the tracking number. I believe they can do something to cancel the order, especially if it's high value. If the product is a little bit expensive, they will be able to help you cancel the product. Okay, so what you need to do is you want to write here your questions and then you want to select chat with an agent now. Okay, so that they can help you fix the problem. Okay, so you can just say something like, I would like to change the shipping address on my AliExpress order. Okay, now the robot is going to give you like automated answers, but you just need to click on chat with an agent now. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments your question, and yeah, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.